Hello, in front of me I have iPhone 17, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can restore your WhatsApp backup. Alright, this video is for people who already have their backup created. If you don't know how to create the backup of your WhatsApp chats, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing everything step by step, so if you want you can look for it. And also, before we open up our WhatsApp, we need to make sure that we are logged into the same Apple account on which we made that backup before. I mean the backup of our chats, because the backup is stored in our iCloud. And simply before opening the WhatsApp, go into the settings, go into your account and make sure that you're logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup before. Otherwise, there's a huge chance that you won't be able to restore the chats. Alright, so now let's click on the WhatsApp. As you can see, the app welcomes us. Click on agree and continue. Type your phone number. In my case, I need to change into Poland, so I'll be able to type it. Now I will enter my phone number and I'll see you in a second. Okay, and once I have typed my phone number, the restore from iCloud function already appeared. Below we can see the date of the last backup, and below we can see its total size. And now, you need to have in mind that if you don't restore your chats right now, you won't be able to do it later, so we need to click on restore. Now the process will start. In my case it won't take long because I don't have that many messages, and it should be done any second. Alright, 10 messages restored. We can click on next. WhatsApp would like you to access your contacts. Click on continue. You can select the contacts that you want to share or simply click on share all. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo if you want, if you click on add photo. Then click on done. And now, I should take a look. If you want, you can also enable the automatic chat backup. It's up to you. And now, all of the videos, photos, and normal messages has been successfully restored on our WhatsApp. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.